So it's been over a year since we've seen an update for the Nvidia Shield TV. Now, in that time, we've seen a lot of different devices, new devices come to the market, from the new Google TV streaming 4K to the on 4K streaming Pro, just a lot of devices to remain competitive. In my opinion, the Nvidia Shield is still one of the best streaming devices out there. However, I did release a video just letting you guys know that it's not a good idea to buy an Nvidia Shield in 2024. A lot of lashings on that video, but I do stand by that video because I do feel like in 2024, there's definitely a couple reasons why you should hold off on the Nvidia Shield TV. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it in the description of this video. However, after a year, the Nvidia Shield has finally released a new update. In fact, this is a hot fix, and we're going to jump into the details right now. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So here we are on the 2017 Nvidia Shield TV, and let me just show you guys how to check for an update if you haven't yet received the prompt. Now for me, I have two Nvidia Shield TVs. I have the 2017 as well as the 2019, and as of yet I have not received this update. So definitely want you guys to check. Let me know if you either been prompted for this update or you haven't yet received it like I have. So in order to check for an update, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to go to your settings. Now for me, I do have a shortcut right here in the quick settings, but not everyone does. But to get to the Nvidia Shield update, you're going to go to device preferences. You're going to go to about, and you're going to have system update right there. Click on that, and you're going to go ahead and check for update. So check for update. All right, so you can see my upgrade. Just checked. I've been checking on both systems. My current version is 9.1.1, 33.2.0.157. Now they have released a couple hot fixes, guys. They did release one. The newest one is 33.2.0.252. So I am a little bit behind, and what they're doing is they're rolling these out in stages. So some devices or some people may have it faster than others, so keep that in mind. Again, in the comments, let me know if you received this hot fix or not. What is new, or what did they fix on this new hot fix? So you can see they have a list of things, guys. This is the second hot fix, and you can see the deployed date right here, 10/8/2024. First fix is they match frame rate. This is a beta enhancement. So 2 is they resolve issue with Shield drive filling up, which I never had that issue, but let me know in the comments if you have. Fix an issue with no audio heard when headset is connected to the controller or the DAP is on. Again, let me know if you experienced that. Resolved an issue of GeForce Now crashing after launch. Ability to clear HDMI 1.4 flag via factory reset. They also fixed video distortion on RGB 8-bit Rec 709 display mode. Resolve USB hard drive, flash drive showing corrupted after hot plug. So I know a lot of people in the comments of the Shield upgrades videos that I used to do, they did complain about having issues with the drives. So NAS folder shows OB and not the actual capacity. Mounted storages aren't listed after upgrade. Again, this is another one that I know a lot of folks complained about, along with the remote issues. Fix occasional crashes in DRM application. So those are the hot fixes. Again, this was the most recently deployed, 10/8/2024. You can see the previous one was over a year ago. So Nvidia is way behind. And again, I did do that video just telling you guys not to buy an Nvidia Shield in 2024, and I list a bunch of reasons. Definitely check that video out. Let me know in the comments if you got this update. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.